Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with a midday update. I said I would hop on if this thing wanted to trade today. It wanted to trade today. So how do we spend our day? We covered our shorts from yesterday afternoon. We put out an aggressive long against 97 or a more deeper, not aggressive, like you got to break 95 or you're nothing, long setup, which got us long 98 half. So we covered the runner there. It was a nice little 11 handle trade. And we were long 98 half for a really nice move up into 29.07. I had talked and put a chart out on social saying, look, we're pulling back into the 5-minute mid-band. You know, what is this 2900 to 2902, 2903 area going to do? Well, it went resistance. When it went resistance, put out an aggressive short. We got out of the rest of our runner from down here and, booked 5 and change on a long, which is great. Got short 2902 and grabbed 5 and 10 on that. We have a runner, and honestly, I think that's probably it for me this week. I think that's going to be the last trade of the day for the room, but it's been a very, very solid over 10 handle total, locked in, depending on what happens with this runner, end of the week and end of the month. So they print 91.75 here. We're coming up into the opening print at 97.5, so we've got to see lower high, lower low, or do we start to retrace back a little farther? The AD is red, but not by much, and we're just going to have to sit down and really think about what it wants to be as we head into 2 o'clock. From 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, the bears have the advantage on some of our proprietary stuff that's related to the time of day. The issue is, can they execute on that? If they can, then we're not all that far away from 28.85, which was the 9-day simple, the level that I mentioned this morning on the webcast. All right, everybody have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. I will catch everybody on Tuesday morning. Trade them well. Take care. Talk to you then.